Okay, hello everybody. I'm Ken from Uganda. I'm so happy to be here today. The baking class was very good, very perfect, full of fun and joy. Thanks to everybody, thanks to Ibu, thanks to him and all the people who have been with us. Thank you, it has been fun and good. I love you all.
Thank you so much for giving me the floor. My name is Tom. I am from Madagascar, and now I'm very happy because not only studying in Lampung, but we also experience how to make this amazing cake with Ibu. Thanks to her, and thanks also to my classmates and all international students here. Thank you so much. This is a perfect experience that I have never seen in my life. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Darmajaya, the best!